Hey guys, guess what? Another one. We got the Simpsons bobbleheads from Vending Machine. Yes, for you're all the Simpsons fans. I got like last time last time I reviewed the Vending Machine. Now it's bobbleheads. Yeah, this is bobbleheads. We got see, hey guys, I want look. You can see who he is. You see who he is. Now let's open it up. Oh my, let me do this off camera for a minute. Let me get to the figure for a minute. Let's start with the names. We got Homer, Marge, Lisa, Bart, Maggie, Apu, Krusty, and Milhouse. Yeah. And you got Apu. Yeah, we got Apu. You know who is played by? He's played by a character named Hank Azaria. Yeah, he was the actor. And I'm not sure what this came with. Probably is this for his standard. Yeah, I think. Oh, there. Yeah, a bubblehead of poo. Thank you. Come again. Let's look at the detail. You know, he has the detail on this figure looks awesome. Look, yeah, we got green pants. No, not green pants. Sorry, green coat, black shoes. What else? And we got. Yeah, I don't know what color is he. He has a little mustache because he's an Indian. Yeah. Anyway, guys. So what do you? Oh, let me scooch him. So anyway, guys, what do you think? Link, what do you think? You like this? So guys, so what do you think? You like it? If you like this video, put a like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and share this video. And I will see you next time.